Okay then, Year 4, welcome back. Lesson 24. It's going to be our final lesson on time before moving on to something else tomorrow, all right? So you can see, first thing I want you guys to do is I want you to convert. So I've just drawn a rough box. Let me finish it off just so you can see where it starts and finishes. There you go, okay? And you can see on one side we got minutes, on the other side we got hours and minutes. So the first thing you need to do is fill in the boxes. Now, top right, you can see I've got minutes and hours, like a little key to help me. I'll get rid of those. So, how many minutes are there in 1 hour? 60. How many minutes then in 2 hours? 120. And how many minutes in 3 hours? 180. So this is really key to helping you fill in your blank spaces in your table. All right, so take your time. Once you've done that, we have got a couple of word problems as well. All right, so what I'd like you to do is pause the screen now, fill in the blanks, and press play when you're ready to go through the answers. Okay, good luck. Okay then, so for this first one, 78 minutes. All right, so I can only take out 1 hour, can't I? 60. So if I take out that 1 hour, and I take 60 away from 78, I'm left with 18 minutes. So 78 minutes is 1 hour and 18 minutes. 101 minutes. Well, again, 120, 2 hours is too much, isn't it? So I can only take out 1 hour again. If I take that 1 hour out, 60, I've got 41 minutes left. Hopefully you got those right. All right, so now I need to add together 1 hour, which is 60 minutes, and 19. So I've got 79 minutes. Okay, so 2 hours and 47 minutes. Well, the 2 hours is 120 minutes. So add that and 47, I get 167 minutes. 179 minutes. Okay, well, look at 180 minutes is 3 hours. Look how close that is. It's 1 minute less, isn't it, than 3 hours. So what is 1 minute less than 3 hours? It would be 2 hours and 59 minutes. And then the last one, 3 hours and 50 minutes. Well, the 3 hours is 180. So I need to add on 50 to it. So I get 230 minutes. Hopefully you got all those right. A couple of them were quite challenging, so really well done if you did. Now, going down, I've got 2 more problems, word problems here. All right, so it's talking about journey times and what time you're leaving the house. And you need to tell me what time you're arriving at your destination. All right, so again, pause now. Take your time. All right, use your pen and paper. Do some workings out to help you. And press play when you want to go through the answers. Okay, so the first one, if we leave the house at 8:42 a.m. and it takes us 35 minutes. So I'm going to do it like that to help me. Yep, 35 minutes. So what's the easiest way of adding 35 minutes to 8:42? Well, I think the easiest way is doing our frog jumps. So if the time is 8:42, my first frog jump is going to take me to 9 a.m. How many minutes is that? It's 18 minutes. Hopefully you're with me so far. Okay, so I've added on 18 minutes, but I've got to add on this all together, haven't I? So now I'm going to add on 2 minutes. And I'm at 9:02. I won't put the AM. So I've added on 20 altogether. So now I've got 15 left out of the 35. And if I add the 15 minutes on, I'm up to 9:17 a.m. So that's I say the easiest way. That's the way I did it. Lots of other ways you could have done it. All right. If you got the right answer, well done. Your method was correct. So for the next one, okay, so journey time was 67 minutes. So I'm just going to put that by here so I don't forget. Right, I set off at 6:55 p.m. And what time did I arrive at my destination? Well, 67 minutes, I'm going to convert into hours and minutes. So we know that there's 60 minutes in an hour. So that would be 1 hour and 7 minutes. So I'm going to add on the 1 hour, first of all. And I'm at 7:55 p.m. And then I'm going to add on the 7 minutes. So I've gone 2 jumps, haven't I? 1 hour and 7 minutes. And I'm at 8:02 p.m. All right, so for A, the answer was 9:17 a.m. or 17 minutes past 9 in the morning. And B was 2 minutes past 8 in the evening. Well done if you got those right. All right, so well done for 3 sessions on time. We're going to move on to something else tomorrow. See you then. Maths is fun.